Welcome back to Bitcoin Watch. Today we're breaking down Canton Token in a simple, beginner-friendly way. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and why it stands apart from other blockchain projects you might already know. Canton Token is the essential digital token powering the Canton Network, designed for fast, secure, private, and flexible crypto transactions. This network caters to both beginners entering the crypto space and established businesses seeking robust solutions. Many existing blockchains often struggle with slow transaction speeds, high fees, and limited privacy, creating significant hurdles for users. Canton was specifically built to address these common problems, offering a streamlined and user-friendly experience. Here are the core strengths that make Canton Token particularly useful and innovative in the blockchain landscape. First, Canton offers incredibly fast transactions, enabling real-time, atomic settlement that significantly enhances capital efficiency and liquidity. Second, it provides strong security, ensuring ledger integrity and preventing corrupted states, even in the presence of malicious actors. Third, Canton allows flexible connections to many applications, facilitating seamless composability between various wallets and assets for an improved user experience. Fourth, it boasts better privacy options through selective privacy, where transaction details are visible only to the involved parties. Finally, Canton scales exceptionally well, even under heavy use, thanks to its two-tier consensus mechanism for horizontal scalability. This is where things get interesting. Canton has a distinctly different approach to privacy compared to systems like ZCash. ZCash, for instance, focuses on full privacy, completely hiding the sender, the receiver, and the transaction amount. Everything within a ZCash transaction remains entirely private and concealed from all external view. Canton, however, operates with a different philosophy, employing what's known as selective privacy. Instead of hiding everything, Canton ensures that only the specific individuals directly involved in a transaction can view its details. For everyone else outside of that direct interaction, the transaction details remain completely invisible. Here's a simple way to think about the difference between these two privacy models. You can imagine ZCash as a fully closed door where no one can see what's happening inside. Canton, on the other hand, is like a door that opens only for the right people, revealing information only when necessary. Canton's method is inherently more flexible because it maintains transaction privacy while still allowing various applications to work together seamlessly. It also makes it possible to share information only when needed for specific purposes like records or audits. This contrasts with ZCash's approach of keeping everything hidden all the time, which can limit broader utility. This selective privacy also aligns with modern compliance standards like GDPR through data minimization and transaction history pruning. For beginners, Canton stands out because it provides robust privacy without introducing unnecessary complexity. It ensures your information remains protected, the network operates swiftly, and the overall experience is easy to understand and navigate. If you enjoyed this deeper look at Canton Token, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our 24/7 live stream for nonstop crypto news and live chat with our community. Thanks for watching Bitcoin Watch. We'll see you in the next video.